Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix Twitch Prime subscription not showing up. So I'm going to show you at least three methods today. Number one reason why this Twitch Prime not showing up is that it's possible that your Amazon Prime membership has expired. So that is the reason why it's preventing your Twitch Prime sub from appearing. So to fix this one, you have to open your Amazon Prime account, log in, navigate to manage your Prime membership, verify the specified expiration date, and renew your Prime membership if it has expired. The second reason why you're encountering this is that cached data or broken cookies in your browser can cause Twitch Prime subscriptions to display incorrectly. So to fix this, tap the three dots, go to privacy and security, and then here you have choices. You can click this one, or also you can tap this delete browsing data, go to cookies and cache, and all you have to do is to delete data here. You can be very specific, like all time, last 24 hours, 7 days, or last week. And that's it. Now, the third thing to do here to fix this is you need to reach out to Twitch and Prime Gaming support. So to do that, you can open any web browser and then go to Twitch customer support. Then you can see this contact us. All you have to do is to enter the following here and then submit or tell them your basic concerns, such as Twitch Prime subscription not showing up, please help me, and so on. So they will just message you or send you a message to your email address. You have to check your email from time to time. And these are a few or three methods on how to fix this Twitch Prime subscription not showing up. So if you want us to create another tutorial, or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.